So I'm cutting a cooling box for my pond pump. As you can see, it gets very hot. The air temperature in my garage at the moment is 27 degrees, and I'm designed a box with 2 cooling fans in, and I'm hoping that's really going to knock the temperature down. I'm going to do it from the top because that's where I'm going to have access in. So 44, 47. I've just started a 20-minute timer. My air assist pump is in my box. The fans are running. So we'll come back in 20 minutes and we'll see what the temperature is. So let's stop this alarm. That's 20 minutes, 22 minutes. Temperature is a little bit warmer than yesterday. I had 27.5 in the garage. It's now 28.3. So let's see how much this box has made a difference. The silicone tube still gets warm as expected because we are compressing the air. I use the rubber bands on the top because you'll hear the lid vibrates. You can hear that. Wow. Dropped it a few degrees. So I had average of 45, I think it was yesterday. Let me see if I can touch it without being burnt. That's the fan. Yeah, much cooler. I can grip that now. And even the dome is warm, not hot. So yeah, my box is working, so I'm pleased with that. So basically it's just 2 PC fans, but these are 2 40-volt fans wired into the supply of the pump. So when I finally get my automatic air assist working, which it is connected as you can see, but I've had to change the firmware again, so I had to do some other stuff. So I am still working on the auto air assist and the auto bleed off valve, which is closed at the moment, but I'll keep you posted. So I am saying the box is a success. It keeps the pump a lot cooler. Hopefully it will extend the life of the pump, because anything that is getting hot is bad. What I should do is really do a test with that off. I'm going to keep that running for 10 minutes and come back. So I'm going to set another alarm. For 10 minutes. I'll leave the lid off and I'll see what the temperature is after that. So it's the final countdown, just waiting for the 10-minute timer to go. So my pump has had 20 minutes with the lid on and now 10 minutes with the lid off, blowing through air assist, going through a 3mm orifice on my 3D printed nozzle, so you can see in there. Let's see what the temperatures are. 38, 37, 38. So I'd have to check back on the video, but I think that's 1 degree. Was it higher? So having the lid on, I will check. I don't think having the lid on makes any difference. So what I might do is just put a bit of masking tape across here and here and leave the lid off. So I'm going to now try that. So I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. I've created a lid with a hole in it because I really didn't want to cut my nicely crafted laser cut lid, and then I will just take some measurements at the end. So once it's finished the 10-minute countdown, I will probably pull this one back so I can measure the dome and see what the temperature value is. Okay, so we've had another 10 minutes. So it's had 20 minutes with the lid on, 10 minutes with the lid off, and now 10 minutes with half a lid. And we're just going to see what the temperature is. So 38, that was going to 39, 39.5. Let's just take one bit of tape off. We'll just cut one bit of tape off, and I want to get down there on the dome. So that was 40 straight on, that was 40, 39. So I think that has increased the temperature just a little bit, but cooler than yesterday.